Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, so this week we're studying a local artist, but also a really international artist because she has had a really interesting life. And right now she lives between two places, Paris and Sausalito, and she's 94. So her name is, I'm gonna look now so I say it right, Etel Adnan. And she is a poet. She's a painter. She does tapestry work. She's had a very interesting life. She was born in 1925 in Beirut, Lebanon. And she then studied in Paris when she was 24 and graduated from university there. Then she came to California and she studied at Cal Berkeley. And then she taught in San Rafael for like 25 years. And now she's in her 90s and she still does her art. She's a very interesting person. She's a very influential Arab American artist. And she does these really interesting tapestries. So we're going to do we're inspired by her art today. So this is a picture of her paintings. Miss Kate, did we get the name of these paintings?
No, but while you're talking,
so here's a couple of them. And do we know how big they are? I think
oh my gosh.
some of her canvases are really big and some are not. And she works on wool. When she grew up, when she was a little girl, she didn't see paintings because in Lebanon, the art was quite often in the carpets, in the rugs that people made, and in the architecture. So when she was 20 and she went to a museum in Paris, blew her mind how cool the stuff was. So now I've got my plaque. I'm going to make sure you could do cardboard, you could do poster board. We have these lovely particle board things that Kate's brother Robert made for us. I wanted you to make sure that you find the side so you know when you hang your piece of art, it's going the way you want it to. And I've got a pile of scrap felt. And these are all really nice autumn colors, but you could use any color you like. So you just I started playing around with the placing of the felt. Mountains. I've got some layering it. Also, this felt is stiff felt. You could use a lightweight softy felt as well. It cuts pretty easy. I'm going to make a sun because I think that looks kind of cool. Put that up in my sky. And then I'm going to just cut out some different shapes, fit them onto my canvas, my board. Kind of pretty, like a landscapey picture. Here's this really nice kind of rusty orange. I'm layering them in here. I'm using my scissors. I'm going to make my whole design first. And then, when I'm done with my design, then I will get out my friend Mr. Glue and use glue. So I'm liking the way that looks. I'm just layering my designs. This one kind of looks like a rock. Okay, maybe I want a little pop of kind of color in the back. I like that. I'm gonna stick with that. So now once I get my basic idea, I'm gonna start from the back and I'm gonna put some glue on it, on my felt. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact. This glue, our friend Mr. School Glue, will dry clear. So I'm gonna just stick it on there, press it down. Work on my next one, glue that down. It's your art, so you can use colors that you want. I'm going for a landscape kind of look. Yours doesn't have to be. Etel does look like she does kind of landscapey things. So I'm going to just keep gluing and end up with my scene however I like it. And then I'm done. So that is our artist for this month, and thank you for joining us. If you really like this video, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alameda Arts. Even if you didn't really like it, you just kind of liked it, that'd be cool too. You could send us pictures of your work to Alameda Arts, #Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram. What else?
And that's Yeah, and I have some information about those
yes.
bookings.
Okay, Miss Kate.
Okay, that one that you're holding right
Yes,
there
yes.
is called, the sky has entered our senses, and it is 13 by 16 inches.
Okay, so not
And
a
the
whole
other
lot.
Yeah, not
bigger
too much
than this,
bigger.
yeah.
And the other one is called Children of the Sun.
Oh, how nice. I like the sun on there. Look her art up online. It's really wonderful and beautiful. And thanks for joining us. See you later, friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.